Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2020 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to know what is the factory tire size and recommended tire pressure. This video will apply to second generation of GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so once you open the driver's door, you will notice a yellow sticker just here on the right side. And if you look closer, you will see first column tire, size dimension and cold tire pressure. So front tires will be 225/60 R18s, rear tires same thing, 225/60 18s, and the spare tire 135/70 16. So this is like a small donut spare tire. And the tire pressure, front and rear same, 35 psi, and the spare tire 60 psi. And this is where you can find all of this information on every GMC Terrain. And this can be especially helpful when you have to add up some tire pressure to know how high you should go. And if you're in the market for new tires, you can always double check here what's the factory recommended size. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.